Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
POV is live now. Yo, you good?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm chilling. This is fun. It's fun. What? You know I
Said it's fun?
Yeah. I don't know why everyone's so
Okay, said GPS. Should we go straight or should we go right? Said we should go right. I saw that M4. I wanted to go.
Oh, we should be in the Express.
I was supposed to be in the Express, but I wanted to have fun, so
In the
I chose not to go in the Express because I wanted to have fun.
I mean, right now, it won't be. I was gonna say something.
I'm gonna join by the highway up there, though.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Should I go straight or should I go right?
What does the thing say?
Say make right.
Yeah, because you're gonna continue to pass all that BS. Put everybody on. Careful, this guy.
Yo, this fucking guy don't see that it's a fucking red light, bro.
Yeah, that's bad.
It's fucking retarded.
I don't know where he was going.
I mean, it's a red light, but I made it right because I'm making it right. The fuck? People are just brainwashed, yo. See somebody go, they go. See somebody stop, they stop. Like, what the fuck?